Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you.
ಹಲೋ ವಿನಯ್, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಟು ಯು. ಸಾರ ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕಲು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ.
Happy 50th birthday, Vinay uncle. I love you.
Happy 50th Vinayana. Still remember the wonderful time when we were young, the time when you used to take my lessons before my exams. Those fun days when we played table tennis at home. Playing cricket indoors, and as usual, bada bhai sirf batting hi karta tha. You have always guided me throughout childhood and will be eternally grateful and for having such an amazing elder brother and will always look up to you. Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday and many more healthy ones.
Hi Vinayana, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday and wishing you many more candles to blow.
Birthday Vinay, God bless you.
Hi Vinay, chubby, quiet, benchmate of 86 batch. A very blessed 50th birthday to you. Have a fun day and even a wonderful year, and God bless you with many more years to come. Okay, it is so nice to connect with you again, through this WhatsApp and this group. Continue to be a blessing to others. Take care. God bless. Bye.
Hi Vinay, very happy birthday on you completing 50 years, half century. Only one thing which I would like to just say, that I have tested you for last around 30 years, in which I would like to say कि you can trust Vinay at any point of time. मतलब आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि विनय के साथ झगड़ा कर लो ज़ोर से और 15 मिनट बाद उसी से मदद मांग लो और वो आपको हेल्प कर देगा. और ये मैंने 2 बार टेस्ट किया है, एक बार 12th में और एक बार SY BCom में. पहली बार इट वाज लाइक अननोइंगली हुआ था, बट दूसरी बार पर्पसली करके भी ये देखा गया है एंड आप यू कैन बी सक्सेसफुल इन डूइंग दिस. Thanks Vinay for a beautiful friend like you with me in my life. Many happy returns of the day again. Thanks.
Hi Vinay, wishing you a very happy birthday. Take care.
Hey Vinay, this is wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a lovely and a great day. Regards to your family. Stay safe, stay well, and have a great life ahead.
Hey Vinay, wish you happy birthday. I know it's your 50th birthday. I'm so glad we're all reaching there, and it's my pleasure to wish you from here, away from India. We all wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you, and I still looking forward to see you again so that we all can go to Goa and have fun the way we did last year. So please enjoy yourself.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
You are turning 50.
Don't feel old.
You will be ever shining just like gold. Happy birthday, Papa.
Hi Vinay, happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Hi Vinay, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happiest birthday Anna. Thanks for being there. Have a great
Hi Vinay, wish you many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday. May God bless you, give you a very long life. Stay safe, take care, bye.
Hey, hi Poppy. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
glorious 50th birthday.
My goodness, half a century, man.
Love you.
Bye-bye, take care.
Hey Vinay, we were 15 when we first met. Can't believe you're clocking 50 now. I absolutely cherish this long friendship we've had, and I wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday with your loved, near and dear ones. I pray you stay as crisp as this apple always. And juicy too.
50th birthday, Vinay, the dawn of our group. Last time I took the liberty of inviting everyone for a birthday bash on your behalf. This year it did not happen, but I am very sure that next year we will all have a big birthday bash. Have a great day, Vinay. Enjoy.
Hi Vinay, wish you a very happy birthday. This is Lata from Holy Family 86 batch. Wishing you a fantastic, fabulous 50th birthday. Enjoy, have a great day, stay safe, take care till we meet. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, dear Vinay. On your 50th birthday, blessings and good wishes from all your buddies of HFS 1986 batch. God bless you and have a wonderful birthday.
I'm Mahesh Matta from the batch of 1986. Happy birthday to you, Vinay. Vinay Kukian, VK. Vinod Khanna of our batch. Dashing personality, very good sportsman. Very fond memories of playing TT with Vinay. We represented the school. Wish you a great birthday, Vinay. Have fabulous years ahead. Keep in touch. Bye for now.
Hi Vinay, this is Jayanti, your batchmate, wishing you a fantastic, fabulous 50th Golden Jubilee birthday. Enjoy a special day with your loved ones and friends. May all your dreams come true soon. Special thanks to your wife Vani for involving us in your memorable birthday celebration. Have an awesome and thrilling year ahead. Till we meet, stay safe, stay blessed, and cheers.
Hi Pompey, many happy returns of the day. Wish you a very happy birthday. Welcome to 50s Club. Cheers, enjoy. And
Hi Vinay, happy birthday. Rosie from Holy Family 1986 batch. You're among the junior most in the relay of 50th birthday of this group. Have a great day. I'm sure you're gonna have a blast going by the pics which you had shared of one of your previous birthdays. Enjoy.
Hi Vinay, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Sorry for the background noise, I'm traveling, but I hope you are able to get this message. I think you have reached this milestone before me. I will be catching up with you in a few weeks' time, but here's wishing you a fabulous day and a wonderful year ahead. May the second innings of your life be better than the first 50. So have a great day.
Hi Vinay, Deepa here from Arizona, USA. Wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the most glorious decade of your life. Have a nice celebration and do share pictures of the same. Thank you. Bye.
I wish you many happy returns of the day. Let this day bring you happiness, prosperity, and success in your life. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Big Daddy. I love you. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे पॉपी आई होप आपका ईयर बहुत सही जाए एंड आई नो यहाँ पर दिव्या नहीं है और मैं भी नहीं हूँ पर हमारे विशेष आपके साथ ही है सो हैव फन हैव अ ग्रेट डे और खूब सारा केक खाओ
Hi Vinay, Praveen from Holy Family, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the Golden Club. Have a great day and many more fabulous years ahead. Cheers buddy.
Hey Vinay, wish you a very happy birthday and a warm welcome to the 50s Club. I remembered one incident from school when we used to take part in these carol singing events, and it was you, me and Savio that year in the 9th standard, and you were in it because you somehow managed to get some colorful robes, and you were dressed in one of them too. So if you have any pictures from that, please share. Have a wonderful day, and I hope when all this gets back to normal, we meet and have a nice get together and drink. Take care, man. Bye.
And it's the 50th birthday. वो कहते हैं ना कि बिकने वाले तो और भी है बाजार में, जाओ जाकर खरीद लो. बिकने वाले तो और भी है बाजार में, जाओ जाकर खरीद लो. ये इंसान कीमत से नहीं किस्मत से मिलता है. And it's his birthday. Happy birthday to Mr. Vinay Kukian, 50th birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Vinay.
Happy birthday, Anna. May your life be filled with more love, success, and prosperity.
Wishing you a very happy and fabulous 50th birthday, Papa.
We are so blessed to have you in our life.
And we wish you all the love, health, wealth, and happiness in your life ahead.
Don't forget that you are not 50.
But you are just an 18-year-old with 32 years of amazing experience.
We love you, Papa.
You're the best.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.